So, my name's Ryan, welcome back to my channel. This is the handsaw that was at the bottom of the tool chest. The one that said it was made, well, you can see it a bit better now. Makers of fine saws since 1830. Sheffield Slackser. So Slack Sellars and Co. Sheffield. So let's see whether this bad boy is still sharp. This is a bit of oak. Starting off. Yeehaw! That, my friend, is super sharp. I think that's sharper than the spearing. Well, it's sharper than a jacksaw. Honestly, there we are. That is super sharp. I love it. I'm going to clean this up. I'm going to use it for a few videos. So don't forget to check out my other videos. Remember, the slower you go, the faster you go. One for the collection, that. Super sharp.